Yeah, yeah. Morning all. Yes. So data types. In the last class, I was discussing how to define variables. So data types. Data types are of two types. Data types are of two types. Fundamental data types, collection data types. Fundamental data types and collection data types. Fundamental data types means object holding single value. What is that? Object holding single value. Fundamental data types means object holding single value, like x equal to 10. One object is created with value 10, an object with value 10, it is going to have some address. The address given to x here, object holding single value. Collection data type, right? Object holding group of values. The name itself saying like collection of values, group of values, set of values, right? Example of this collection type. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Group of values. Here, can you see, observe here, group of values. Then 20, 30, 40, 50. 107060. The address is given to X. Object holding group of values. Object holding group of values, right? Object holding single value, fundamental. So just observe. Fundamental data types, 5 types. Int, age 25, float, height equal to 6.3. Bool, which returns either true or false. String, sequence collection of characters, city equal to Hyderabad. Complex, A plus IB, right? A plus IB you say. I is imaginary part. But in Python, we say instead of 5, we say J, right? Right. So this fundamental data types, 5 types. Integer, float means in decimals, Boolean means true or false, string means sequence collection of characters, and collection type, collection data types. Collection data types, right? 4 types. 4 types. List. List means represented by using square bracket. Tuple represented by using normal bracket. Yes. Set by represented using curly braces. Dictionary represented using key value, right? Value, right? Yes. Key and value. List, tuple, set, and dictionary. List, tuple, set, and dictionary. List, tuple, set, and dictionary. Key and value means city Hyderabad. City will be the key, Hyderabad will be the value. Age 25. Age is the key, 25 is the value. Okay. So we have got lot of discussion on strings, string indexing, string slicing, string functions, string methods, string special characters, right? Yes. So string. What is a string? A string is a sequence collection of characters. Sequence collection of characters. A string is a sequence collection of characters. In Python, a string is represented. A string is represented. In Python, a string is represented using single quote. Using single quote in this way, right? Using double quote. Using triple quote. Using triple quote. Single quote, double quote, and triple quote. Or we say like in this way. Single quote, double quote, or triple quote. Each character of a string. Each character of a string is represented or accessed. Each character of a string is represented or accessed by a unique index. Each character of a string is represented or accessed by a unique index. Each character of a string represented or accessed by a unique index. String supports two types of indexes. Positive index or forward index. starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Negative index or backward index. Starts from right to left. Index starts with -1, right? Yes. So yes, positive or forward index, backward or negative index. Single line comment start with hash symbol. If you want to comment all this, means comment means they won't be executed. Triple quote and end with triple quote. It won't get executed, right? Check this. X equal to Python. If you say Python, right? An object is going to get created internally, right? Python, right? It is going to have some address. The address is given to X. Positive indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Starts from left to right. Positive index. -1, -2, -3, -4, -1, and -6. Negative index. Positive index or forward index. Negative index or backward index. Yes, try to say X is your string. X of 2 is what? Try to answer. Everyone try to answer. X of 2 is what? You can unmute yourself. And try to give your responses, right? X of 2 is what? T.
T.
X of 2 is T. X of -3?
H.
H, right? Yes. In this way, you can use negative or positive index. If the string is very big string, if you want the last character to be printed, go with negative index. -1 gives the last character. Positive index or forward starts from left to right. Negative index or backward index starts from right to left. Yes. Now check this example. X equal to Python, Python, right? Python. Print X means prints that string, entire string. Type of X means str type. Type of X means str type. Len of X means number of characters. Check it. Run module. So Python, what type? String type. Length is what? 6. Now, y equal to programming. Y equal to programming. Print X plus Y. Print X plus Y means we call it as concatenation. Concatenation means adding two strings. Adding two strings. Adding two strings means first string followed by second string. Adding two strings, first string followed by second string. Check this. Python plus programming means Python programming is the output, right? If you want space between Python and programming, X plus space plus Y. What is it? X is one string, Y is between those string, one blank string. Python space programming. Okay. Next is string slicing. String slicing. Extracting, right? Extracting particular portion of a string. Extracting particular portion of a string. Python program is the string. Extract only Python from this. Extract only Python from this. Try to say print x of 0. P means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 colon 0 colon
5.
6 you need to give. Observe carefully here. This we call it like lower bound. This we call like upper bound. Always upper bound excluded. If you use 5, 5 will be excluded. You won't get n. That's why 6. Even if 6 is excluded up to 5. Always upper bound is excluded. Always upper bound is excluded. 0 to 5 means you will get Python. Python. Extract the middle portion of the string. Extract the middle portion, right? Extract PROG, the middle portion. Try to say PROG only I want. Try to say everyone, right? Everyone try to give your responses. X of
So 8.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Start with 7. 7 to 7 you want, 8 you want, 9 you want, 10 you want. 11 you need it. 11 excluded means up to 10 it will consider PROG. Print x of 11 to 7 means what? 11 to 7. 7 to 11, okay. In the opposite way, it gives empty string. Empty string because always slicing in the forward direction, in the always slicing in the forward direction. because always slicing in the forward direction. If you go in backward direction, empty string, check it, run module, empty string you get. Here, see this empty string you got, right? Extract PROG using negative index, you say, right? Everyone, try to extract PROG using negative index. Using negative index, right? Print x of using negative index also in forward direction only. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. -7 to yes. -7 you want, -6 you want, -5 you want, -4 you want. So give -3, -7 to -3, right? PROG, right? Yes. Now try to extract entire word program. Extract the entire word program. Print, right? X of 7 to 7 you want, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What I should say? 14. 14 index not available, but we won't access 14. Up to 13 we consider, right? If you use 13, M will be excluded. So 14, if you use 14 excludes, up to 13 it will access. 7:14, right? Yes. Seven to 14. These things, whatever I'm typing, I'll be forwarding you. But still, if you are from non-programming or zero programming, right? I recommend you to make notes parallelly also, right? 7 to 14. Or I can ignore this upper bound. This is the shortcut, right? Don't provide the upper bound. Means 7 to up to the end of the string. 7 to up to the end of the string, right? It will slides. Or using negative index, x of -7 to up to the end of string. Both results the same output. Observe this output, all the output, run module, right? Program. If I say like a print, if I ignore this lower bound like this, lower bound is not given 6 means, yes, by default, it reads from the start of the string to 6 excluded up to 5. This and this both are same, right? You get Python. Yes. Next, print. If you don't provide this both upper and lower, what is the output? Similar to print x. Entire string will be printed. This is entire string will be printed. Print x of 0 to remaining, right? X of 0 to remaining. Yes, all these three statements results the same output. Yes. This Python program, and Python program. What is the output you get for this? Print x of 0 to 14 with the increment of 2. Means 0 index, 2 index, 4 index, 6 index, 8, 10, 12. Alternate index, even index, right? It takes P takes, T takes, O space R G A. Yes. P T O R G A. ATUN or GA, right? Yes. So this and this results the same output, right? X of 0 to 14 means colon 2. Yes, it results the same output. Colon, this indicates the entire string increment of 2. Both results the same output. Both results the same, right? Yes. Print X of colon -1, right? Yes. So this indicates what? X colon -1 means reverses the elements of a string. Reverses the elements of a string. So there is a word called palindrome. What do you mean by a palindrome, right? If we reverse a string, if we see this output for the previous one, reverses the elements of reverses a string. Run module. PYTHON PROGRAM Python program. If we reverse a string, if we get the same string, if we reverse a string, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome. If we reverse a string, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome. Example, right? Example of this palindrome, anyone? MADAM, madam. If you reverse also, you will get the same thing. Malayalam, right? Or DAD, dad. NITIN, or RACE, race car. So all this, if you reverse also, you will get the same thing, right? Yes. For example, X equal to MADAM. If I reverse them, print X means, okay, you will get madam. Reversing, right? Store it in Y. Print Y, right? You will get the same. X and Y both are right same. MADAM, both results the same output, right? Yes. This what string slicing. We have got the string methods next. String methods. We no need to write, right? We have got many inbuilt methods and functions for performing the operation. String methods. First one, upper. To print in uppercase. To print in uppercase. First one. X equal to HYD Hyderabad, right? Print X dot upper, prints Hyderabad in uppercase. Run module. Hyderabad in uppercase. Lower, right, to print in lowercase. To print in lowercase, x equal to mumbai, right? Print x dot lower, right? To print in lowercase. Run module to print in lowercase, right? So this is control S, I said. To save, control S. Run module. Observe this, x equal to India. I want only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Only the first character I in the upper, remaining all in the lower cases. X dot capitalize. Only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases, right? Capitalize, right? For capitalizing the first character. For capitalizing the first character of a string. See that, observe this fourth. For example, x equal to good morning, Hyderabad. So for example, here you got three words, right? Each and every word, first character in the uppercase, G in uppercase, M in uppercase, H in uppercase, I want. So for that, each and every word, first character in the uppercase means, if I say capitalize, only G gets in uppercase. So title you need to say, what is that? For capitalizing the first character of each word. Good morning, Hyderabad. For example, observe this example too, where this title can be useful. See this, good morning, Hyderabad means G in uppercase, M in uppercase, H in uppercase, right? G in uppercase, M in uppercase, H in uppercase, each and every word, first character in the uppercase. For example, employees, you got EMPS, employees like Ajay, Rohit. EMPS, right? Uh, all that first employees are there, right? Each and every employee, first character in the uppercase. Each and every employee, first character in the uppercase. Ajay, A in uppercase, or in uppercase, B, J, A, R, right? EMPS dot title, right? I need to say title, EMPS dot title, right? Hmm. run module. A in uppercase, James, run module. Ajay, Rohit, Blake, James, Amar, Rahul. Okay. For converting one case to another case, x equal to. Good morning, Hyderabad. Right? X dot swap case. X dot swap case means if it is in lower case, it will be converted to upper case. If it is in upper, converts to lower case. Right? It reverses the case. Good morning, Hyderabad. If it is in lower, it converts to upper case. Next, there is a method called replace method. Replace. For replacing a portion. For replacing a portion of a string. For replacing a portion of a string, right? For example, I'm saying like Java is easy. Java is easy, right? Yes. Print x dot replace. X dot replace the word Java with Python. The word Java replacing with Python. Okay. It is like Python is easy. Okay. Replace the word Java with Python. Next, count. To count the number of occurrences. To count the number of occurrences of a substring or a character. To count the number of occurrences of a substring or a character. X equal to, for example, hello, hello, hello. X dot count of hello. Count of hello, right? Hello. What is the count of hello? 3. Count of character H? 4. Count of hello is 3. Count of character H is 4. Okay, next we have got a method like format method. Format method means for substitutions. For substitutions, format method is just for substitutions. X equal to just is the captain of Indian team. Is the captain of Indian team, right? So just like fill up the blank, right? Print X is the string dot format Rohit. So you get Rohit is the captain of Indian team. Rohit is the captain of Indian team. Rohit is the captain of Indian team. Yes. Run module. Format method, right? Multiple substitutions you can do, right? Y equal to curly bracket. Multiple substitutions you can do, right? Print y dot format. What is that format? Modi, M-O-D-I. Modi is the PM. Second substitution, PM. Third substitution, India. Modi is the PM of India, right? Yes, this one. Next. Strip method. For removing blank spaces. For removing the blank spaces before and after. For removing the blank spaces before and after the string. For example, x equal to good morning, Hyderabad. You got many blank spaces before and after the string, right? Print x comma len of x. Length of x is what? Okay, including the blank spaces. X dot strip means removes the blank spaces before and after the string. Store the result in y. Print y comma len of y. Y comma len of y. See this length of x including the blank spaces, right? This 44. Now 21 means nearly 30, no, 21, right? 23 blank spaces got removed before and after the string. Find, right? To check whether a substring is available or not. Substring is to check whether a substring is available or not. To check whether a substring is available or not, right? If found, if found, it returns the first character index position. First character index position. Else it returns -1. It returns the first character index position, else it returns -1, right? For example, x equal to Java is, sorry, Python is print x dot find for Python. X dot find for Python. X dot find for Python, Python. If the Python is available, where it is available? At 0 index it is available, right? It returns a 0. 0, right? It returns a 0. X dot find Python. Python is available at 0 index. Print X dot find of Java. Java is available at what index? It returns that J index position. First character index it is going to return. J index is what? That index it is going to return. Right? 22, right? Yes. Next, print X dot find. Mumbai. Mumbai is not available. It returns -1 for it. It returns -1. Okay, fine. So 0 to split. There is one more like split. If we split a string, we get a list. If we split, for example, employee details are like this. Employee ID 101, employee name Ajay, salary 50,000, right? And designation manager. Print only the name and designation. First, if we split it based on what? Comma. If space is there between the what? Space. Store it in Y. Y is what? List. If you are splitting a string EMP, you will get what? A list. Print Y, comma, type of Y. Type of Y is what type? List type. In that list, okay. Run module. You got a list. From that list, you want a name, 1 index, 3 index, Y of 1 and Y of 3. Print Y of 1 and Y of 3. Y of 1 means name, Y of 3 means designation. Yeah, name and designation. Understood, right? Methods we have what? Ajay and manager. So split, find, strip, format, count, replace, swap case, title, capitalize, lower, upper, right? So these are the various methods. So next, so I'll just take 15-20 minutes more, right? Tomorrow the link will be changing. So you'll be getting a new link. So get enrolled and try to get the new link. So the payment details and process is given in this short panel. Fine. So next I'll discuss more on this print function. Just I'll take 15-20 minutes more. It's an output statement. Output Output statement in Python. Output statement in Python. X equal to 10, Y equal to 20. Print X comma Y. Print X comma Y. Try to answer, right? What is the output you will be getting for this? X comma Y. Will it give 10 comma 20 or 10 space 20? Run module. See the output, it gives 10 D. It is not giving 10 comma 20, 10 space 20. But in the output, I want 10 comma 20. But in the output, I want 10 comma 20. X comma Y comma what separator you want? Comma separated. Yes, I want comma separated, right? Run module. 10 comma 20. Any kind of separator you want. Print X comma Y comma separator equal to space separator you want. Print X comma Y comma what separator you want, like tab space. Print X comma Y comma what separator you want, like colon I want, right? Yes. Any kind of separator. Print X comma Y comma separator equal to, right? Dependency, right? So this, observe this outputs, right? Run module. 10 comma 20, 10 space 20, 10 tab 20. 10 comma 20, 10 space, 10 tab, 10 colon, and 10 gives 20, right? Yes. What separator you want between those two? So if you want to like print a slash and, right? X comma Y comma separator is what? Separator equal to slash n, right? Yes. Ten. Okay. 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 For example, I'm giving like A is 10, B is 20, C is 30, right? I want to define all this within the same line. A value is 10, comma, B value 20, comma, C value 30. Everything I want to define within the same line. Is it valid? Is it valid? No. You cannot give comma. 3 Python statements within the same line. 3 Python statements within the same line, right? Yes. Sorry. A is 10, B is 20, C is 30. If you execute it, you will get error here. Observe, you will get error here. 3 Python statements within the same line. Go for semicolon. Go for what? Semicolon. Print A. Semicolon. Print B. Anytime 3 Python statements within the same line, give semicolon, not comma, right? Yes. Run module. See here, it is printing in 3 different lines, 10, 20, 30. Print A and goes to next line. Print B and goes to next line. Print C and goes to next line. By default /1. Here also, 7 print statements prints in 7 lines, not in the same line. If we say print means one blank line you will get. It won't print anything. Control goes to next line. Right? So here print good, print morning, print good and print morning. It is going to print in 2 lines, right? Prints good and goes to next line, prints morning and goes to next line. But I want the 2 print statements output I want in the same line. After good, keep end equal to space, using at the end of the first line, attach the next print output using space, good space morning, good space morning. Understood, right? You got the output in the same line now. Good, after that you give some space and attach the next output to it. This is fine. Or if we say like END without space, good morning as a single one, good morning as a single one, or we say like /t space you can use, /t space you can use, right? Yes, means good, after that /t space morning. Yes. And if you got like this, right, 3 statements, good morning Hyderabad, what is output do we get, right? Everyone try to answer. Yes. If I give these 3 statements, output in 1 line, 2 lines, or 3 lines? Yes, I got 1 response in 2 lines. Good morning in 1 line, Hyderabad in separate line. If I want good morning Hyderabad, after morning also, UEND equal to space. Yes. So this is what SCP and END. SCP is what separator you want between the values, between the variables, right? What separator you want. And this END means the next print output also you want to print within this current line. And you need to also understand this input function. Input function, right? Just 5 minutes I take for accepting input from the user keyboard. For accepting input from the user keyboard, fname. So using input function, I'll say, yes, enter the first name. Enter the first name. Name. Input, enter the last name. Enter the first name, enter the last name. Print F name plus L name. Print F name plus L name, right? Yes. That's it. Save it. Yes, run module. Check this. The first name Ajay, last name Kumar. What is it? Ajay Kumar, you got. I want space between these two means give F name plus space plus L name. You will get. Otherwise, another way is print F name comma L name comma separator equal to space between these two, first name and last name. I want separator as space. First name Ajay, last name Kumar. What is that? Ajay Kumar, you get. Yes. One more example on this input function, right? Accepting two values from the user keyboard. And from tomorrow, the class will be at 6 o'clock in the morning, right? And the link will be changing. You will get a new link to your mail ID. So get enrolled, I said. Tomorrow, the class starts from 6 to 7. So daily up to from tomorrow to up to the end of the course, class will be at 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. right? Morning. Accepting two values from the user keyboard and performing addition. Two values from the user keyboard and performing addition, right? Yes. X equal to, right? You can say X equal to input enter value of X. Enter value of X, that's fine. Y equal to input enter value of Y. Enter value of Y. Print X comma type of X. Type of X is what type? Yes, print Y comma type of Y. Okay, Control S. Input to 2.py. Value of X 10. Value of 1 20. Now, what is the type of X and type of Y here? Everyone, try to answer what is the type of X and type of Y here? Yes. Is it string or integer? I have assigned 10 to X, 20 to Y. What is the type of X and Y? Hello? So whatever we are, okay, string it is. 10 is a string, 20 is a string, 1020, but it is not 30. X plus Y is not 30. Concatenation happening. Why it is string? Why not integer? Because if you are saying X equal to 10, assigning integer to X here, type is integer. 4.5 means you are assigning float. True means you are assigning Boolean value to it. Hello means you are assigning string. But using input function, always whatever value you are accepting to X, always taken as string only. Whether you enter integer or float or boolean or string, always it will be taken as string input function. So we need to typecast. So I'm writing a note for your understanding. Whatever we are accepting through input function, whatever we are accepting through input function, by default taken as whatever we are accepting through input function by default taken as string, and later so now I need to say typecasting means here just give int of this, everything keep within the int function. Here close it. Here also int of, because it is taken as string, convert to integer. Everything keep within the int function. Now you observe run module, right? Enter value of x10, enter value of y20. See, 10 is integer, 20 is integer, sum is what? 30. Any query in this, anyone? If you want to convert to float, say float off, int of float off, right? Yes. One last example, right? And this input function, accepting customer details, right? Customer name equal to input, enter the customer name. Enter the customer name. Account number means it should be integer type. That's why int of input, enter the account number. Enter the account number. Balance. Enter the balance amount. Balance amount should be of float type, so I need to say float of input, enter the balance amount. So now print customer name, print account number, right? Print account number means A in lowercase. Enter the customer name. Achha, account number 40987650. Balance amount 90,870.50, right? Name you printed, account number, and balance amount. But I want some label before this. Customer name equal to Ajay, account number equal to this, balance is this. So keep a label here, one string. Whatever you keep, that will be customer name, you can say. Balance is balance. So some labels I have kept, right? String within that will be printed as it is. Check it. Customer name Rahul. Account number. Balance amount 90,860.70. So customer name is Rahul. Account number is this. Balance is this. Understood, right? Using input function, whatever you are inputting, that values are given to this. Customer name, account number, and balance. So this is input output statements and strings in Python we have discussed today. String indexing, string slicing, string methods we have discussed, and input and output statements, inputting and outputting, right? Yes, fine. So from tomorrow, the class is at 6 o'clock. So get enrolled for getting the link. So I'm stopping for now. We'll continue tomorrow, right? Any queries you have got, right? Anyone? From tomorrow, I'll forward you today. Okay, tomorrow I'll be forwarding you the notes. You'll be getting the videos to the Google Drive. You'll be getting the notes, right? Tomorrow, a WhatsApp group will be created, right? Yes, WhatsApp will be added to the WhatsApp group. Yes, fine. Any queries you got, right? Anyone? You can see the chart, right? For the payment details and the procedure. You can see that previous video also, right? Previous session video. You can check. For only Python, it is 5,000. You want total full stack Python like Python, core, advanced application oriented modules, web development technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, that is UI technologies, and Django framework and project, right? It is 10,000 is the fee structure, right? So if there are no queries, right, I'll sign off for now. Meet you tomorrow at 6 a.m. in the morning, but different link. You will be getting the link to your mail IDs. Once you do the payment, right, don't forget to share the screenshot to this online team, right? It's mentioned in the chart, DURGASOFT online training @gmail.com. Okay, fine. So meet you tomorrow.